Any lumps or nodules behind the ear are usually considered harmless. If there's an infection, you might need medication. But in most cases, ear lumps do not signal a dangerous problem. There can be many reasons for knots, bumps, lumps, or nodules in your body. People who have history of acne might find it easy to diagnose a lump, but otherwise, the best way to check for lumps or nodes is by touching the area behind your ear to see if there's any skin protruding out. If the protruding skin feels soft, it is a fatty lump or lipoma. If the spot is tender but painful, it can be a pimple. If you are experiencing fever or chills, it might indicate infection. Bacterial or viral infections can often lead to swelling around neck and face. Infections like measles, chickenpox, and HIV are quite likely to give lumps. Lipoma is a lump which develops between different layers of skin. These lumps can develop anywhere in the body, are harmless. They are visible on the skin surface and might even grow in size over time. In acne, pimples and bumps may develop when dead skin cells and oil clog hair follicles on the skin. These lumps can grow large in some cases and also cause discomfort. When cells or tissues in the body get infected, it gives room to the development of abscess. White blood cells react to this infection by attempting to kill harmful bacteria or virus. But white blood cells often become accumulating in the infected area, thus causing development of pus. An abscess is warm and painful to touch. Lymphadenopathy. This is a condition which begins in our lymph nodes, which are present under our arms, neck, pelvis, and behind the ear. These lymph nodes end up in swelling in case of infections. Mastoiditis. On time your ear infection go untreated, it might lead to a condition known as mastoiditis. Mastoiditis is an infection which develops in our bony protruded area behind your ear. It can lead to development of pus-filled cyst. Otitis media is also a kind of ear infection. Ear infection can either be bacterial or viral. They can cause swelling and buildup of fluids. Antibiotics can be helpful in treating such ear infections. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.